Buongiorno, bonjour, guten tag, mahaba, namaste, good day to you trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel with different approach to trading where I try to share with you some out-of-box methods, hoping that these methods will improve your trading results substantially. In today's video, I want you to spend a couple of minutes with me because I will give you a date of very possible market turning point within a few days. So let's start the rock and roll. So thank you very much for your comments. They really inspire me to continue my channel, and the date I want to show you is been signalized by Elena. Thank you very much, Elena, for signaling this possible turning point, which is, let me show you. Elena has written on 4th of August might be a major pivot point for Bitcoin and the markets in general, because Jupiter squares Mars. And the two previous points, this aspect meant sharp downfall, and so on. Thank you very much, Elena, for your comment, for your remark. I just want to show you guys what I think about it. It is very important. Let me just present what's going on over here, and I will show you. Let's start somewhere from the past. Let's start from the square, which took place. When was that? Was it September? Somewhere there. Yeah, that was. Important thing, look. It started on September 10th, Tuesday, 2019, the square of Mars and Jupiter. So, the square exactly took place, let me show you. It was on September 11, Wednesday. But, what's more important, it lasted, look, this is Thursday, September 9th, and it lasted till September 15th, so it's quite a couple of days. 6 days last this square. And the turning point was, I think it was exactly on, was it here, on 13th of September, Friday, let's mark it. 13th of September was this candle, this pin bar or inverted hammer, whatever it is. So, 13th of September, you got the first one. The next one, I would recommend you to watch the square, which is the sextile. Sextile, which took place on, sextile was on November 11th. It was Monday, November 11th. So, let's mark it. November 11, Monday. Was it here? It's 11. Here we go. That's the one. But what I just wanted to stress here, it was 24 now. It's 25th. So Tuesday, November 12th, sorry. Just let's move it one candle lower. Okay. Another turning point. That's right, Elena, well done. Let's see what happened when conjunction took place. You might have known already, because that date couldn't be forgotten. 20th of March 2020, Friday, is over here. We don't even need to try to find it. We know exactly when 20th March was. Just the very bottom of this downfall from the spring, the end of winter. Just the spring began on 20th. So, by coincidence, there was this conjunction. Let's have two more. We got two more. That we got over here is sextile, which took place exactly on 21st of June 2020, which was Sunday. So we should go to 22nd, Monday. Where is it? Is it this one? I think it's this one. 22nd of June. Boom. It started rising. So the next one will be, here we go. Exact date. Is it on somewhere here? August the 4th, Tuesday. Well done, Elena. let's mark August the 4th. On Tuesday, this is the 6th, 5th, 4th. What I want to show you over here, it's really important. Bear in mind that every aspect between Mars and Jupiter lasts 5-6 days. Look, it starts on... when it starts? Come on. On 1st of August, which is Saturday, and it will last till August the 8th, which is Saturday again. 7 days. So it's pretty long time. Just bear it in mind, the market might start ranging in this area, and that what might happen over here. It might be really interesting turning point or reversal point of any market, not only Bitcoin, as Elena said in your comment. Thanks very much once again, Elena, for your lovely remark. Please write your comments, write your opinions under this video. Maybe you have found some other aspects which you consider will be important. So that's it from me at the moment. You take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.